Hello, and thank you for listening in on this webinar. During this session, we'll be presenting to you a case study about Ulmer Schokoladen's deployment of IO-Link wireless for enhancing the operational efficiency of their production lines. My name is Gabi Daniely. I'm the Chief Strategy and Marketing Officer at CoreTigo, a provider of industrial wireless automation solutions. And I'm delighted today to introduce to you Mr. Sebastian Kentler from Ulmer, who will be talking about the challenges and benefits of this deployment. So Sebastian, please share with us some background about yourself and Ulmer.
Hi to everybody. Hi, Gabi. My name is Sebastian Kentler. I'm working at Ulmer Schokoladen, right in the north of Germany in Wilhelmshaven. We produce small chocolate pieces as decoration or ingredient. And in addition to individual cake decorations, we also supply chocolate pieces for muesli, pastries, desserts, and so on. For example, if you enjoy your muesli in the morning, there's a good chance that the chocolate comes from us. We are represented on the market worldwide and have a site in Wilhelmshaven, as I said, in the north of Germany, with around 180 employees. Around 20 employees work in the technical department here, where I also work as an electronics technician.
Okay, great. Thank you very much for the introduction. Before we go into the actual challenges and the solution, I'd like to provide you with some background about the enabling technology for this deployment, IO-Link Wireless. IO-Link Wireless is a universal industrial standard. It was designed specifically both for control and monitoring in factory automation environments, and it's actually part of the well-known and very fast-growing IO-Link standard. It offers ultra-high reliability, literally 1 million times more reliable than conventional wireless solutions, such as Wi-Fi or Bluetooth. There's no need for a line of sight. It coexists with other wireless networks, and it is designed to operate in harsh industrial environments with many interferences and noisy environments. It also provides a seamless integration to any type of sensor actuator, be it digital, analog, or IO-Link, and a simple integration both at the OT and at the IT level. Very quickly, how does it work? This is a very straightforward architecture, as you can see. At the bottom layer, the sensors and actuators can be connected to IO-Link wireless devices and seamlessly turned into wireless devices. A bridge can connect a single device. It can be an analog device, it can be digital, or IO-Link. This is the device you see at the bottom left-hand corner. And the hub can transform multiple devices into IO-Link wireless devices. These can be a combination of IO-Link analog or digital devices, up to 4 IO-Link devices or 6 digital devices on a single hub. It is also possible to embed IO-Link wireless within industrial sensors or actuators, but this will not be the focus of this session. We'll be focusing mainly on the bridge and hub at the device level. The bridges and hubs then communicate via the IO-Link wireless protocol over the air with the Tigo master. This is an IO-Link wireless master. This is the second layer. The master can communicate with up to 16 IO-Link wireless devices simultaneously, but it also communicates at the OT and at the IT level. At the OT level via Profinet, Ethernet IP, EtherCAT, or OPC UA, and with other enterprise applications or cloud-based applications via MQTT or OPC UA protocols. So now let's move on to the challenges that Ulmer has seen.
Thank you so far, and I will try to explain how we came together with CoreTigo. You can see it in the picture. We use so-called cardboard sealers on a large number of our production lines. An important piece of information to understand is that the carton sealers are mounted on rolls and can be moved back and forth between the production lines. Cartons are inserted into these small machines by our employees, and these boxes are glued together and sorted onto pallets afterwards. At this point, we have to count the packs produced for our MES system. And in the past, we counted manually, then with the help of a sensor. But in the past, the sensors were connected to the next connection point with a cable. And this led to some problems. Cables were run over by transport machines. They were forgotten to be unplugged and torn off, or they were not plugged in at all. So we had to find a solution. And since we are already using a lot of IO-Link technology, and I had read about the wireless development, I contacted CoreTigo. And that's how we came together. and try to find a solution for our problems.
Perfect. So let's talk about the solution. There's two aspects of the solution here. We'll start with the sealing machine actually and the automatic counting. So as you can see in this slide, the IO-Link wireless products are enabling a seamless solution for enabling the automatic counting on the sealing machines. It's comprised of a standard off-the-shelf IO-Link optical proximity sensor. Multiple sensors are connected, one at each sealing point. And then a Tigo bridge, the IO-Link wireless bridge, connects to each sensor pretty much in a plug-and-play manner and immediately turns it into an IO-Link wireless device, eliminating the need to run cables from the sensor to a master or a PLC, to a wired master or a PLC. The Tigo bridge then communicates over the air with the Tigo master, and the master can communicate simultaneously with numerous wireless devices, meaning numerous sealing machines with bridges connected to a proximity sensor can communicate with a single wireless master. Master then also communicates directly with the PLC, in this case, via the Profinet Industrial Ethernet protocol. And finally, the data from the sensors is communicated from the PLCs to the MES application at the IT level. So let's talk now about the benefits that Ulmer has seen here.
Switching to IO-Link wireless has solved all the problems from before. As I told you, we now have a system that is plug and play. We were able to leave the existing sensors installed on the machines. We did not have to buy new sensors. We only had to use the CoreTigo bridge as an extension. Our production staff only needs to connect the power supply now to the machine. No more additional cables. The sensor connects reliably and automatically and sends its signals to our PLC via Profinet. We now have a reliable count of the pieces produced and no longer have to worry about cables being destroyed or forgotten. This also reduces the workload for our employees. We are currently using the system in 2 of our production halls where one Tigo master is sufficient to connect our cardboard sealers to the higher level system.
As Sebastian mentioned initially when you described the challenges, the PLCs in the factory also required communication between one another, and cabling can also be an issue there. And as you can see here, the IO-Link wireless products were also used for transferring the data from the secondary PLCs to the primary PLC. Primary PLC was the one that's actually connected to the MES system. So in this case, an IO-Link wireless hub, the Tigo hub that we mentioned beforehand, was used to interface with the PLC's multiple digital outputs. These outputs include the data that's received from the IO-Link wireless masters and the optical sensors on the data counts. Then multiple hubs from multiple PLCs communicate over the air with an IO-Link wireless master that's connected now to the primary PLC, again, via Profinet, to the MES systems. So from there, the primary PLC aggregates all the data and communicates it to the MES. Again, a very simple, very seamless, and a very elegant kind of solution here, as you can see. And in this case, again, let's talk about some of the benefits, Sebastian, in the PLC connectivity.
Yeah. In addition to counting the cartons, we also count packs in bags on some systems. And thanks to the CoreTigo hubs, we were able to record a simple digital signal from a third-party PLC and forward it to our MES system. This opens up the possibility for us to connect existing systems to the new technology brought by CoreTigo with little effort without having to intervene in the old control systems, which is often very challenging. Yeah, never change the running system.
Yeah, no, that's excellent to hear, and excellent to hear the value and the benefits that we're managing to gain again with a very simple and not a complex solution to deploy. So to summarize this session, as you can imagine, the solution and technologies that we've presented here can also serve a much broader range of applications across a variety of industries. Some examples include wireless control of grippers or pumps on multi-carrier systems, be it in packaging or assembly lines, replacing complex and expensive slip ring solutions, for example, for communication on rotary units or carousels, enabling complete flexibility with wireless end-of-arm tooling for robotics, predictive maintenance, airflow monitoring, and even logistics solutions such as AMRs, automatic storage and retrieval systems in smart warehouses, or even sortation systems. So please visit further CoreTigo.com to learn more how industrial wireless automation can boost your operations and enable your machines and production lines to do more. And of course, a very big thank you to Sebastian and the whole team at Ulmer Schokoladen. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much. Thank you for listening and watching.